I'll share with you some DIY face mask. Only three ingredients. The first one is Quaker oats. I know we can find it in our own home, in our home, in the kitchen, and another one here is a turmeric powder and a fresh milk. So I've explained to you what's the good benefits the Quaker oat. The Quaker oatmeal can soak up the excess oil to your skin, and its antioxidant inflammatory properties to help treat dry skin and remove dead skin cells. And it contains also compounds called saponins, which are natural cleansers. They remove the dirt and oil that clog the pores and exfoliate the skin. Another benefits for our turmeric powder. Our turmeric powder, the good benefits in our skin, it's for acne, for wrinkle, for lightening, and for oil skin. And the third one is the fresh milk. So all these ingredients we can find it in our kitchen. And the good benefits in our face for this fresh milk, it's moisturizing our skin. It's a lactic acid which helps reduce pigmentation, heal dry skin, hydrate skin, heal acne, and relieve sunburn. You can use this the basic face mask for tapping raw milk on your face. Used to clean cotton balls. So either you can use this fresh milk only, or we can mix it together. So this is the one I do it in my home as a face mask. So we need to mix it together. First, we put this powder, a turmeric powder, and a fresh milk. So a 1 tablespoon of Quaker oat, 1 tablespoon of fresh milk, and a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. We mix it together until it will become sticky. So we leave it in 5 minutes. Hello guys. So now after we leave our face mask in 5 minutes. So now we need to wash our face. Of course, we need to clean it, and of course, we should have to wear a headband so that it will not come into our face and the hair. Okay, so first we need to wash our face. You can use anywhere that any soap that you like it. Okay. Sorry sa ko video kasi iwan ko ano nangyari. Cellphone kasi yung ginagamit ko. And now, after we wash our face, we need to clean a towel. We need to wipe it in a towel. A clean towel, of course. So now, after we wash our face, we start now to put a face mask in our face. So I start in my forehead. Around your eye. Be careful when you put it. So, like this. your nose, your eyes, cheek, all over your face. And also your neck, put also into your neck. Para parehang ang kulay ng skin. Ewan ko what's wrong with my mobile. Paiba-iba ang kulay. Okay, now it's better. So, kung meron kayong sobra sa ginagamit nyo, pwede nyo ilagay you can put it in the fridge for the second. And then after this, you need to leave in 30 minutes, 20 minutes as you like. And then wash with normal water. So after you leave in 30 minutes, you need to wash it. And of course, after we wash, we need to put also a face soap. So we need to wash now. We need to wash it very well, of course. So also in our neck. So 3 weeks ko itong ginagawa. At sinishare ko to sa inyo kasi napansin ko na may pagbabago sa skin ko. So, sa quaker oats, pwede nyo itong i-powder yung quaker oats para hindi kayo dito sa skin nyo if you put the quaker oats, feeling get annoying here in your face that something stick. So, you can powder it as you want. And sinishare ko po ito kasi pwede rin nyo itong ma-apply sa sarili nyo at makakatutulong din ito. So ngayon mahirap lumabas, mahirap magbili ng kung ano-anong mga gamit sa mukha. So this face mask, we can see it in the kitchen. So we can find it in the kitchen. And after this, you can put a moisturizer para maging smooth yung skin nyo. Okay, so thank you guys and see you in my next video. And please don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye. God bless all.